In this video, we're going to take a look at Excel automation via an Access database. In this case, it's for a payroll system used by a hospice. And as we can see, in our main menu here, we have certain options that the user can use to process their payroll, but we're just going to be focusing on the Excel automation portion. So the user has essentially already imported their payroll data, and if we click on this preview, we can see an access report that shows us what the system is intended to capture. So we see we have a payroll system or payroll log here, where it's divided into their home care division and each of the shifts within that division, their residence unit and the hours involved in those different shifts. And then finally, in this third section, we have their sick, personal, vacation, and other types of time. And this button here will actually take that report and reproduce it in Excel. And so if we click that, we'll see it will now go out and run the Excel automation and just begin to reproduce that report right in Excel, line by line by line, just as it, more or less as it appears in Access.